How to fix unstable ping or have low ms in Mobile Legends Android. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If you are having such issue regarding the unstable pin, this is quite because of the network issue. Now to solve it, you can do it quite simply by checking out your phone settings. Now in your phone settings, you can scroll down and navigate the option of additional option, or in the search icon at the top, just tap on it and search for developer option. Now if you have not toggled on this yet, make sure to do so. Now in the developer option, scroll down until you see the option of Wi-Fi throttling. You will see this option as Wi-Fi scan throttling. Make sure to toggle it on. As you can see, it does improve the network performance. Now also make sure that the mobile data always active is toggled on as well. Once you do this, you can give your device a restart and launch Mobile Legend to play uninterrupted game. If the issue still persists, you might have to change your network connection. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.